What's up guys? Let's go, warm up. Dalawan. Yung smoothness. Gabad sa may bandang harapan, so hindi ka malipit.
Lord, nasaan ang mga outside of Pampanga runners? Itaas ang kamay. Woo! Napakarami ninyo and I am very sure mailan sa inyo ay mga veterans are here cheering you up. Appear sa mga, appear naman dyan. And a high five to all of you as well from Jollibee. Together with Milo, we have Jollibee here to cheer you up. 9, 8, 7, 6,
What's up guys? Ngayon tapos na yung 42 km and kahit pa paano na-survive, no? Naka top 7 tayo, 3 hours and 20 minutes. Ayan. Salamat nga pala kay coach at sinuportahan niya ako dito and si Cap din, second center niya qualify for Iloilo sa ayan guys. Sana maka-qualify guys tayo, no? Sa 22 yung marathon training! Medal. Umigot. Kasi ito yung ano. Yan.
once again, magandang umaga, Milo!
Ayan guys, manonood kami.
Finishing 9th place for the male 42K is Bendy Colinga. 8th spot, we have Agustin Reyes. Finishing 7th for the male 42K, we have Kaizan Shen Resurrection. On to the 6th spot, we have Raymond Matito.
What's up guys? Ngayon guys, ito yung medal. And then ito yung podium medal. Ayan. Ito pala sila Coach Mads. Yan. Sinuportahan nila tayo. Yan. Kaya yun, ang ganda naman ng time. And pasok naman sa qualifying. Ito kami sa Chowking. Tapos pag sila wala daw tulong.
Later on, you'll see more of what we offer as we'll have the most